Hallo, geehrte Damen und Herren. This is Teacher Fred, and today I would like us to tackle an interesting part of the Sprechen paper. Now, our focus for today is going to be on the part number 2 of your A1 Sprechen examination. So just find somewhere to write as we go ahead and break this one down. Now, as you remember very well that in your part number 2 of the A1 Sprechen is going to be about formation of questions. You remember that you'll be given a card, and the card will have some word on it, right? A word and also a tema, which you will be expected to use to form a question with. Now, for example, here you have been given the word Urlaubsort. Urlaubsort, and then the tema is Urlaub. All right. Now, remember that Urlaub means holiday or vacation. All right. Holiday or vacation. And then the word Urlaubsort. Now, Urlaubsort now means holiday destination. All right. The place that you go for the holiday. Now, the first possible question that I could use here, I want to ask somebody, where are you going to on vacation, or where are you going to for vacation? Now, I could simply ask with wohin. Remember wohin, which now means where to. Please don't confuse these three. There is wo, there is wohin, and then there is woher. So in this case, we're using wohin, where to. So wohin gehen Sie? Wohin gehen? I will either use gehen or fahren. Gehen to go, fahren to travel, right? So, wohin gehen Sie in Urlaub? Wohin gehen Sie in Urlaub? Where are you going to for vacation? Or wohin fahren Sie in Urlaub? Where are you traveling to for vacation? Okay. So how do you respond? And I could simply say, ich gehe. Ich gehe. It's either ich gehe or ich fahre. Ich gehe nach Südafrika. Ich gehe nach Südafrika. Or I could say, ich fahre nach Südafrika. I'm traveling to South Africa. Now, another possible question that I could use with Urlaubsort is, where would you like to fly to? Where would you like to fly to? Which is now, wohin möchten Sie fliegen? Wohin möchten Sie fliegen? Wohin möchten Sie fliegen? Where would you like to fly to? Wohin möchten Sie fliegen? Now, my answer could be, ich möchte. Now, you remember that möchte is a modal verb. And when using a modal verb, the other verb comes at the end and is not conjugated. So I'd say, ich möchte nach Europa fliegen. Ich möchte nach Europa fliegen. I would like to fly to Europe. Ich möchte nach Europa fliegen. All right, let's go ahead and see the other question that I could use. Where is the holiday destination? Wo ist der Urlaubsort? Wo ist der Urlaubsort? Now, where is the holiday destination? And then I could say, leider kenne ich noch nicht. Leider kenne ich noch nicht. Unfortunately, I don't know yet. Leider kenne ich noch nicht. Now, there are these two words in German that mean the same. There is kennen and there is wissen. Kennen and wissen. Kindly note that kennen specifically refers to know a person or a place. Kennen, to know a person or a place. But wissen is now about to know a truth. To know a fact or a truth. So please don't confuse kennen and wissen. Okay, let's get the next word. And the next word you've been given here is reisen. Reisen. Now, reisen is to travel. Reisen is to travel. The noun is Reise. Die Reise, which now means trip. So people confuse Reisen and die Reise. So you say that Reisen is to travel, and then die Reise. Die Reise is now trip. It's a noun, capital I. So I could ask you, how often do you travel? How often do you travel when you have a vacation? How often do you travel when you have a vacation? So that is, wie oft reisen Sie? Wie oft reisen Sie, wenn Sie Urlaub haben? Wie oft reisen Sie, wenn Sie Urlaub haben? So, how often do you travel when you have a vacation? And then I could answer, wöchentlich. Now, kindly note that the wöchentlich is W or umlaut. Because of the umlaut, now you say wöchentlich and not wöchentlich. No. So I could say wöchentlich oder manchmal täglich. Wöchentlich oder manchmal täglich. That is weekly or sometimes daily. Wöchentlich oder manchmal täglich. All right. Now, let's dwell a bit on this lich. Lich. That is the ending L-I-C-H. Lich. Now, this lich is normally added to nouns to make them adjectives or adverbs. Right? There's a possibility of us forming new adjectives or verbs in German by using the ending lich. L-I-C-H. So let's take some examples of nouns that can be changed to be adjectives using lich. Number one noun is tag. Tag, we know, is day, right? Tag. Now, tag, when we change it using lich, it will acquire an umlaut on a, and then you add the lich. Now you say täglich. Tag, day. Täglich, daily. All right? Another one is Woche. Woche, week. Woche, week. Now if I change it, it acquires an umlaut and becomes wöchentlich. Remember? Woche, week. Then wöchentlich, weekly. Wöchentlich, weekly. Another one is Monat. Monat is month. Now it becomes monatlich. Monatlich, monthly. Monat. Monatlich, monthly. The other one is Jahr. Jahr, which is year. So I want to say yearly. It will acquire an umlaut on a, and then I add the lich. Jährlich. Jahr, jährlich. And then you have the last one, which is Nacht. Nacht. Now, Nacht acquires an umlaut and the ending, which now is nächtlich. Nächtlich. All right. And that or those were some of the questions that we had regarding the two words that you were given, all right? Now, as I always say, and I would like to conclude by this, kindly, as you get to listen to this and also watch this, I recommend that you also pick some couple of words and form questions with them. After you've formed questions with them, just pick up some random words. Buch, Auto, Kinder, Bücher. Form questions with. After you've formed questions with, if you don't have a partner, feel free to comment here, and then somebody else will also get to respond to the questions that you've formed. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this short session. I shall be seeing us in the next one. Bis dann.